Welcome to this tutorial on setting up the hide price app for your Shopify store. Today I will walk you through the complete process from creating your account to testing it on your live store. This app is perfect for hiding product prices from guests, encouraging customer logins and capturing leads through a contact us inquiry form. With the latest updates, the setup is now even simpler and faster. Let's get started. I have already installed the app, so let's just open the app and do the setup. So this is home page of Milople hide price app. First we need to create an account. Let's go to this account page. Enter username and email and click on create an account. That's it. Registration is quick and done. Next step is we have to do the settings. You can check full setup guide of how to get started with Milople hide price app right here. Let's go to the next step. Go to configuration. Now the new feature is no more manual theme editing required. Right when you enter the configuration page, you will see a prominent banner or a button at the top that says activate theme block. This banner will stay visible until the feature is activated, so it's impossible to miss. Let's click on it and add the block on the theme editor product page. This button will automatically inject the hide price block into your product pages, usually placed in the ideal spot near the original price and below this. As you can see, hide price is added, button is added, and you can change or move its position as whatever you want. Currently it's set here. As you can see, login to view price and contact us. All you have to do is click on save. That's it, block has been added. Now let's move to the configuration page again. First setting is license and status. Serial key it will automatically generate once you create an account, and here the status field which have toggle button for enabling and disabling the hide price app. Now let's scroll down to the sharing options. Here you have to put the message. Here you enter a custom text you want to show instead of the price. For example, let's add please log in to view the price. You can change it to something like login for exclusive pricing or contact us for pricing or whatever matches your brand. Next is excluded SKUs. Enter any product SKUs, comma separated, for example SKU1, SKU2, SKU3. That should always show their prices even to the guests. Leave this blank to hide prices on all products. Next is admin name, the name that appears in the inquiry emails you receive. Let's add it now. Your admin email address where all contact us inquiries will be sent. That's it. The work of general settings tab is done. Let's click on next button. You have to set the SMTP configuration, SMTP settings here. We have switched over that. This is a crucial for making sure customer inquiries reach your inbox reliably. Enter the following details: SMTP host, SMTP port, SMTP secure. Here we have SSL and TLS, username and password. Correct SMTP configuration prevents email from going to spam or getting blocked. Once you have filled in everything across both tabs, click on the Save Settings button at the top to apply all the changes. That's it. Everything is configured successfully in the admin side. Now let's verify everything works on your actual live store. As you can see in the catalog pages, price is completely hidden successfully. As you can see in the product page, while logged out as a guest, you should see the price is completely hidden, and we have two buttons, login to view price and contact us button. Customer have to log in to view this price. It will redirect you to the login page. So it's working successfully. Next is contact us button. Let's click on it. A pop-up form opens with the fields name, phone number, email and message. Let's enter all the details and let's click on the submit button. Contact form submitted successfully. Now let's check on our email box. As you can see, new contact us inquiry has been received with the name Dear Amisha. New contact us inquiry has been submitted. Please below are the details. Contact information, name, email, phone number and message, and submission details as well. So as you can see, everything works perfectly. Now let's log into the customer account and see the difference. Perfect. The price displays normally with no hidden message or no extra buttons because we already logged in as a customer. So price is visible successfully. And that's it, the complete updated setup of our Hide Price app. Thank you for watching. Install the app today and start seeing the benefits. If you have any questions, feel free to drop them in the comments.